What's up guys, welcome back for part 6 of this crazy monster golf cart build. In this video, we're going to be installing a gear shifter and the gas pedal. Stay tuned for the end of the video so you can see how this all works out. And don't forget to subscribe. So I kind of got in the zone the other day and was kind of rushing to get things done and didn't get to film as much as I wanted to, and kind of overlooked the filming on this part, but just to get you guys caught up, I did some work on the shifter here. I took apart the whole shifter assembly, made a short shaft, and basically I gotta build something that I can mount this to so that, you know, it'll keep it in the right gear as you shift. So let's get on that and see if we can make something work. Gallon, that's hot. Sloppy, but it's gonna work. So for the bottom mount here, I bent up this tab. I just cut here and here, bent this up to create a mounting tab, drilled a hole, and now I'm gonna put a bolt through here and weld another nut on the back side, and this will be finished. The way that I bent it wasn't perfect. It left a little bit of a gap, so I drilled out the middle of a bolt, and I'm gonna use it as a spacer. There's no fluid in it right now, and I have to kind of wiggle the output shaft a little bit to make it go in and out of gear. So we start off in low, went into high just fine, went into neutral just fine. We're in reverse, let's go back up, went into neutral, gotta wiggle it a little bit. There it went. We're in high. And we're in low. Okay. I hooked up this spring to the shifter so that it would keep the shifter pulled to the left and down, so as you shift the gears, it keeps the shifter in the right place. Otherwise, when you're driving, it would be bouncing all over the place and it would jump out of gear. So you can see as I'm wiggling it back and forth, it wants to pull the shifter towards the left and down. So the gas pedal that I installed in this video is just temporary. I really just wanted to get this thing driving and running. So I actually stole the gas pedal off of the hot rod you see in the background. I don't plan on using it permanently on this golf cart. I'm gonna end up fabricating a custom gas pedal to match the brake pedal that I have on here. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. And as always, if you liked it, hit that like button. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.